Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by defining clear axes and gathering consistent data. Plot time or the independent variable on the horizontal axis and choose voltage or current for the vertical. If you need both on one chart, decide early whether to use a second vertical axis so scales do not mislead. Record sampling interval, units, and instrument precision. This matters later when interpreting slopes and peaks. Once done, organize your data in 2 columns and check for obvious outliers before moving to plotting. You now choose appropriate scales and plot each data point precisely. Pick tick spacing so major features fit the chart and use scientific notation if values vary widely. Plot voltage and current with different colors or symbols and add a legend for clarity. When connecting points, use smooth interpolation for analog signals and stepwise joins for discrete samples. Make sure to annotate peaks, zero crossings, and steady-state regions. These annotations explain why the curve behaves as it does and guide later analysis. You finish by extracting metrics and checking consistency between voltage and current. Compute peaks, RMS values, and slopes to quantify behavior, then compare traces for phase shifts or amplitude ratios to confirm expected relationships. Add axis labels, units, and a concise title so the graph communicates independently. If results look wrong, first verify wiring and sensor calibration, then confirm sampling rate and time alignment. Mistimed samples often explain odd phase or amplitude errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.